Okay, so if you guys can imagine for a bit, this piece right here is very deep. So is this one, and also the second one over there. Um, Cars actually get stuck over here, and I really don't want I don't want to drive my car on this road. So my car is going to be staying in the garage for now. Luckily, my daily can make it, so that's not a problem. So Fawaka YouTube, so as you can see, my street is pretty messed up, which is why I just left my car in the garage. I did wash it, and I didn't even break in my clutch yet. But today, today I'm going to be removing the radiator. Most of you know that my radiator is leaking. Look, there's coolant over here, and I did try to repair it, but it's still leaking. I will be bringing this to a professional, and hopefully he does a good job. I'm hoping that that's the only wear that is leaking. Shouldn't cost too much, so yeah. Okay, so removing the radiator is pretty simple. Just remove these brackets, two brackets right here, and the hose, and also from the other side, and also the fan plug. That's it. Okay, so the radiator is out, and I think I'm going to be removing the cooling fans also, to bring only the radiator. And my dog is just sleeping, doesn't notice anything. Hey, hello. Okay, so the fans are out, pretty straightforward. Just 4 bolts holding them in, and as you can see here, this is where I attempt to fix the radiator myself. Didn't work. It's a pretty messed up job. But anyways, I will be bringing the radiator to the shop. Oh, and also I need to deliver these flower stands to a customer. Like this one. My dad makes these, and I will be bringing those two over there for a customer. Okay, with a little bit of magic, we've managed to fit both of them in this tiny car, and also the radiator, so it's all good to go. And I got the GoPro mounted on the side of the car. Hello, cow. And yeah, we'll see how pretty messed up my road is. Oh damn! Look, the water pipe is broken, and someone's fender just laying around here. So this side is pretty deep. Hope I make it. Alright, so I just dropped off the flower stands and also my radiator. I need to bring the fans. I didn't bring the fans, but yeah, heading home right now. So yeah, as you can see, it's very rainy right now, and I'm pretty sure that the street is going to be flooded again. So let's just hope we get across.
Pockline.
Not a pockline. Excavator. They're clearing up the gutter. Getting very close to the thing. Okay, kick that. There's a car over there, and it's going into. What the hell, man? Seriously. You put up YouTube. Okay, oh, that's very scary.
Look at that. The water
Oh, let's look at him go on the road again. So yeah, guys, this is the reason why I didn't drive my car. My street's pretty messed up. Alright guys, so it is now the following day and the sun has been shining a lot. Right now I am going to be bringing my fans to the guy. He stands right here because he need the fans to kind of know where to mount the brackets. So yeah, I will be bringing this to him, and of course on my moped because my mom's daily is not doing very well. So I really hope these are enough. I hope it won't fall off. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I just arrived at the guy and brought the fans. That's the guy. Okay, so I got the radiator fixed. Aluminum to?
Yeah, copper.
Copper. Yeah. So the trickiest part now is to bring the radiator home on my moped, but it seems to be pretty big. I don't know. It's like delivering a pizza. I don't know if I could put it like this. I think that'll work. Pizza delivery. Right, so I got the radiator mounted. The guy, he replaced the entire top section of the radiator with copper. I thought it was aluminum, but copper is fine. And as you can see, he did a pretty good job. All the brackets align perfectly. And yeah, if you guys need to repair your radiator, you can bring it to this guy. I will put the link of his Facebook page in the description, so you can check it out. So guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed making it, give me a like, subscribe for the future videos. Yeah, later.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.